Okay, time for the fourth set. I got it all done up. You can get the idea of why they call it lacing a wheel, I think, because you have this underlap business and things look all kind of nice and tight and everything. So last set, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You drop it through, if you can, and then flip it around. So it's going to come out straight line, and it's got to go under this one. So underneath and into that hole right there. So I'm going to actually spin it around to over here. Actually, maybe I'll spin it here. I don't know if this one's going to be so easy to get on. So it looks pretty good. Yep. Nope. Okay. So again, let's see. Flip it over. Drop the spoke through. Flip it over again. The book says drop them all at the same time, and I tried that and it drove me insane. So it has to go underneath this spoke. So I am doing them one at a time. That's the only way I could figure it out. So it's going to go straight out and into that hole along the plane of this one. So that looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get that one in. I guess if this were not a fixed gear, since you have symmetry on both sides, everything's the same, the spokes are all the same, it's not an issue. If it were not, these inner spokes would be a little bit smaller than the outer spokes, but I think the lacing is all the same. But you better be careful that you have the right size spokes for the inner and the outer, because I'm sure that they'll be a little bit shorter in length. So I've got two in, and I'm just going to go around and do the rest. So I just finished putting in the last spoke, and there it is, one laced wheel. Looks pretty rough and everything, but there you go. So next trick is to true this wheel, and I've done the truing a few times, so I'll true this wheel as well. But looks really pretty good. Handyman Dan here.